Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to be back filming and doing makeup. I have missed it so much, and I wanted to come back and do just my classic everyday glam makeup look. So that is what I'm wearing right now, and I don't know if you can tell or not, but I'm a little nasally. I'm on like the last leg of being sick. It's been a journey, but we're finally getting better, and I'm just happy to be back filming and doing makeup. Also, I have a new background and new lighting. I am in a new filming space. I'm actually in my bedroom, but I have this curtain up behind me to kind of block everything and have a blank canvas. I know I need to steam it, but to be honest, I just cannot be bothered doing that right now. I hope you understand. I promise the next video it will look a lot better. But yeah, so I hope y'all love this makeup tutorial. I actually did 2 lip options. I did this nude lippy, and then I also did a really fun bright pink for Valentine's Day coming up. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get a Valentine's Day tutorial up in time, so just in case, I wanted to have like a second lip option if you want to spice things up for Valentine's Day. So I hope y'all are doing great. Want to see how to get this makeup look? Then just keep watching. Okay guys, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see more makeup tutorials, please give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram tag is TMCBeauty21, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Bye.